Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set price alerts on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock you want to track. For this example, let's use Apple. On the stocks page, tap the bell icon. Choose the type of alert you want to set. Price alerts get notified when the stock moves above or below a target price you set. Indicator alerts get notified based on the technical indicators. Next, let's set a price alert. Tap Add Alert, enter your target price. For example, alert me if Apple goes above $250. You can also set a lower target like alert me if Apple drops to $180 and tap save. And that's it. Your custom alert is now active and you'll get a push notification whenever the stock hits your target price. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.